Hello friends, is your car struggling with poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, or excessive exhaust smoke? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0548, it means there's an issue with the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit, high input. Ignoring this issue can lead to engine overheating, increased emissions, and even potential turbocharger failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0548 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0548? The P0548 code stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit High. This means the EGT sensor is reporting abnormally high voltage to the engine control module. The EGT sensor monitors exhaust temperatures, ensuring emissions stay within safe levels and protecting engine components. Common symptoms of P0548: check engine light, CEL, is on poor acceleration or engine hesitation. Higher than normal exhaust temperatures, reduced fuel efficiency, excessive smoke from the exhaust. If you're noticing these issues, let's locate the faulty sensor. To diagnose P0548, check these key components: exhaust gas temperature EGT, sensor location typically mounted on the exhaust manifold, turbocharger or diesel particulate filter DPF. Exhaust system wiring and connectors location runs along the exhaust system, connecting the EGT sensor to the ECM. Turbocharger if equipped. Location found between the exhaust manifold and intake system, playing a role in exhaust gas temperatures. Tip: high exhaust temperatures can damage turbochargers, catalytic converters, and DPFs. Common causes of P0548: 1. Faulty EGT sensor. A damaged sensor may send incorrect readings to the ECM. 2. Wiring or connector issues. Broken or corroded wires can cause high resistance and false readings. 3. Exhaust system issues. Restricted airflow due to carbon buildup or a faulty catalytic converter. 4. Turbocharger malfunction. A failing turbo can overheat the exhaust system, triggering P0548. 5. ECM software issues. Rare cases where the ECM misinterprets sensor data. How to fix P0548. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0548 code. Step 2. Inspect the EGT sensor for damage or excessive soot buildup. Step 3. Check the sensor wiring harness for any breaks, corrosion, or loose connections. Step 4. Measure sensor resistance using a multimeter and compare it with manufacturer specs. Step 5. Examine the exhaust system for blockages, leaks, or turbocharger issues. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive to ensure the issue is resolved. Ignoring P0548 can lead to engine overheating, turbo damage, and increased emissions. Fixing it early will keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0344. Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Intermittent. P0345. Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.